Today's drawing is the Kargil Divas drawing, also known as the Kargil Vijay Divas drawing. It can also be used as Kargil Vijay Divas drawing poster. According to Wikipedia, the Kargil War, also known as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian operation to clear the Kargil sector. The first drawing that I'm doing is of Captain Paramveer Chakra Vikram Batra. I think if you are an Indian and you know about Kargil, then you surely know about Vikram Batra. Vikram Batra was awarded the Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military honor, on 15th August 1999, the 52nd anniversary of India's independence. The Paramveer Chakra citation read as follows. During Operation Vijay on 20th June 1999, Captain Vikram Batra, Commander Delta Company, was tasked to attack Point 5140. Captain Batra with his company skirted around the feature from the east and maintaining surprise reached within assaulting distance of the enemy. Captain Batra reorganized his column and motivated his men to physically assault the enemy positions. Leading from the front, he, in a daredevil assault, pounced on the enemy and killed 4 of them in a hand-to-hand fight. On 7th July 1999, in another operation in the area Point 4875, his company was tasked to clear a narrow feature with sharp cuttings on either side and heavily fortified enemy defenses that covered the only approach to it. For speedy operation, Captain Batra assaulted the enemy position along a narrow ridge and engaged the enemy in a fierce hand-to-hand fight and killed 5 enemy soldiers at point-blank range. Despite sustaining grave injuries, he crawled towards the enemy and hurled grenades, clearing the position with utter disregard to his personal safety. Leading from the front, he rallied his men and pressed on the attack and achieved a near impossible military task in the face of heavy enemy fire. The officer, however, succumbed to his injuries. Inspired by his daredevil act, his troops fell upon the enemy with vengeance, annihilated them and captured Point 4875. Captain Vikram Batra thus displayed the most conspicuous personal bravery and leadership of the highest order in the face of the enemy and made the supreme sacrifice in the highest traditions of the Indian Army. Similarly, in another book, Paramveer, Our Heroes in Battle, Major General Ian Cardoso states, Captain Vikram Batra, always leading from the front and fully aware of the great danger of his mission, displayed unparalleled courage and determination in eliminating a Pakistani position at a ledge because he was aware of the importance of his task. His daring assault enabled the completion of the capture of Point 4875, and this broke the will of the enemy. His courage and action were well beyond the call of duty, and he continued to take risks, ultimately making the supreme sacrifice in the finest traditions of the Indian Army. Vikram Batra is also well known in India for using the slogan "Ye Dil Mange More," which roughly means that he wanted to do much more. As a signal to communicate mission success, he is also known for an interview in which he stated the Pakistani soldiers were aware of him. Similar stories of great valor are filled around the Kargil War. Definitely, war is not what we would have ever wanted, either of the countries, and especially the families of the soldiers. But still, when that war happened, these brave soldiers fought for their motherland and sacrificed even their life. This is a salute sketch, a kind of a tribute sketch for the Kargil Vijay Divas that is today on the 26th of July. That is what ends the drawing on Kargil Vijay Divas, as we also call it the drawing on Kargil Divas. Similarly, you can also refer it as the Kargil war drawing. Hope you liked the video. If you liked it, then please like it. This was very close to my heart. I just wanted to read out what it says, mostly about Sir Vikram Batra. And this is a wrap for today's video. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.